So we already have the most advanced high-end ventilators on the market. But where do we go from here? Let's see. We need a light, slimline trolley that is easy to handle. Then we definitely need a large display with a high-resolution capacitive screen. And it should be multi-touch too. With a high-performance turbine, we could provide a higher maximum flow and make the ventilator more suitable for transport. And if we are using it for transport, we will need a long enough battery life as well. Of course, we will include all the great features that we already have, like our intelligent ventilation modes, ASV and INTELLiVENT ASV, transpulmonary pressure measurement, PV Tool Pro for lung assessment and recruitment, our INTELLiCuff cuff pressure controller, the remote control for the Hamilton H900, high-flow oxygen therapy, and volumetric capnography. And don't forget our groundbreaking new technology INTELLiSync Plus that keeps an electronic eye on patient ventilator synchrony. Here it is, the next generation of intelligent ICU ventilators from Hamilton Medical. Meet the new Hamilton C6, our most exciting ventilator yet.